Bomb scare at Guwahati railway station. Bomb squad rushes to spot. This is the breaking news coming in at this point in time. Bomb scare at Guwahati railway station. And as per the latest inputs that we are getting in at this point in time, bomb squad has already rushed to the Guwahati railway station to probe the matter. So the big breaking story we are tracking this evening, viewers, bomb scare at Guwahati railway station. So bomb squad rushes to the spot and investigating, probing the matter. Alright, so on the left side of your screens, these are the visuals where you can see the bomb squad. Alright, not only Guwahati railway station, bomb scare has also been reported from Guwahati University. So bomb scare has also been reported from Guwahati University. Bomb threats have been reported, received through email. Alright, so a bomb scare has been reported from both Guwahati railway station and Guwahati University. So the bomb squad rushes to the spot to probe the matter. And also let me tell our viewers here once again that the bomb threats have been received through an email. So through an email, the bomb threats has been received. So there's a bomb squad in Guwahati railway station and Guwahati University. So this is the breaking input that we are tracking at this point in time. So bomb threats have been reported in Guwahati railway station and Guwahati University in Jalukbari. So not only Guwahati railway station and Guwahati University, bomb scare has been reported from 7 locations in Guwahati University. So big breaking news we are tracking at this point in time. Bomb scare has been reported from Guwahati railway station in Paltan Bazar and Guwahati University. So in Guwahati University, bomb scare has been reported from 7 locations from inside the Guwahati University. So bomb squad has already reached the spot. They are probing the matter, and as you can see on your screens, these are visuals coming in from the Guwahati railway station and from the Guwahati University inside premises. So the big breaking story that we are tracking at this point in time, bomb scare reported from 2 places in Guwahati. First from Guwahati railway station and the second in Guwahati University. So in Guwahati University, 7 locations had been identified. So the bomb scare received through an email. So this is the input that we are getting in at this point in time. So bomb scare has been reported from 7 locations in Guwahati University. So these are the visuals. So checking going on in full swing, as you can see on your screens. These are the still pictures that we are showing you at this point in time. On the left side of your screens, you can see checking going on in full swing as the bomb squad team already reached both the spot, Guwahati railway station and Guwahati University, and checking going on. So bomb scare has reported from Guwahati University, bomb threats received through an email. So bomb scare has been reported from 7 locations in Guwahati University. Out of 7 locations, bomb scare at Vice Chancellor building in Guwahati University, area behind the auditorium, IST building, among others. So among the 7 locations in Guwahati University, the locations that we are getting input. So bomb scare at Vice Chancellor building inside the Guwahati University premises. Alright, so more updates coming in. The Meghalaya police has reportedly alerted the Assam police about the bomb threat in Guwahati railway station. So this is the latest update coming in at this point in time, viewers. The Meghalaya police had reportedly alerted the Assam police about the bomb threat in Guwahati railway station. So breaking news coming in at this point in time, viewers. Bomb scare reported in 2 places of Guwahati. So first in Guwahati railway station and the other in Guwahati University. So in Guwahati University, 7 locations have been identified. So the bomb scare received through an email. So as per the latest inputs that we are getting in, bomb scare at Vice Chancellor building in Guwahati University, area behind the auditorium, IST building, among others. And not only this, Meghalaya police had reportedly alerted the Assam police about the bomb threat in Guwahati railway station. So bomb squad team already rushed the spot Investigation is going on at this point in time. Probe underway. Checking going on in full swing at Guwahati railway station. So this is the breaking news that we are tracking at this point in time, viewers. So bomb scare has been reported in 2 locations in Guwahati, Guwahati railway station and Guwahati University. So in Guwahati University, 7 locations have been identified. So bomb scare in Vice Chancellor office and the building behind the auditorium, the area behind the auditorium, the IST building, among others. So these are the 3 locations that we are getting inputs at this point in time. So the 3 locations where bomb scare has been received are the Vice Chancellor building of the Guwahati University, the IST building and the area behind the auditorium of Guwahati University. So Meghalaya police had reportedly alerted the Assam police about the bomb threat in Guwahati railway station, and after the Meghalaya police alerted the police, they already rushed the spot. The bomb squads, they are in both the locations of Guwahati. They are probing the matter and checking going on in full swing, as you can see on the right side of your screens, viewers. So the bomb threat has been received through an email, and Meghalaya police had reportedly alerted the Assam police regarding the bomb threat in Guwahati. So bomb scare has been reported from 7 locations in Guwahati University, and the bomb threat in the university has been reportedly received through email. All right, so regarding the bomb scare in university, the bomb threat has been received through an email. And if we talk about the bomb threat in Guwahati railway station, then Meghalaya police has alerted the police regarding the bomb threat in Guwahati railway station. So these are exclusive pictures that you can see right now on your screens. Checking going on in full swing at the bomb squad team already reached the Guwahati railway station. So Meghalaya police has alerted regarding the bomb scare in Guwahati railway station. So checking going on in full swing. So the bomb squad team, the bomb squad already there at the Guwahati railway station at this point in time. We are showing you pictures from the Guwahati railway station. And if we talk about so high alert in security has been beefed up in Guwahati railway station. These are the visuals coming in from outside the Guwahati railway station. All right, now I'm being joined over phone line with my colleague Arindam Das. So Arindam, bomb square in 2 locations of Guwahati railway station and Guwahati University. So what more updates do you have with you right now, Arindam?
That's right, Priya. Bomb scare at 2 locations in Guwahati. One is, of course, Guwahati railway station. The other is Guwahati University. So, some unknown person has mailed to the Assam police stating that bombs have been planted at the busy Poltan Bazaar area, particularly in the railway station, and the other mail stating that bombs have been planted at 7 different locations inside the Guwahati University premises. So right now, the sniffer dogs have reached the spot, bomb disposal squads have reached the spot. They are frisking every passenger, searching for that bomb which is stated to be planted in the Guwahati as in the Guwahati University premises. So right now, as I have stated, that bomb disposal squad as well as sniffer dogs have reached the location, and
disposal squad as well as sniffer dogs have reached the location, and they are frisking every passenger. They are searching all possible locations where that suspected bomb could be. But as of now, there is no success in locating that bomb. So as of now, it's not clear whether it's a hoax call or actually somebody had planted a bomb and had informed the police, but we are yet to get official confirmation or an official statement from Assam police or Guwahati city police regarding this significant development. Just half an hour back, 2 mails stating that bombs have been planted at 2 locations in Guwahati. One is the Guwahati railway station, The other is at several different locations inside Guwahati University premises. So right now, sniffer dogs and bomb disposal squad have reached the spot and they are searching for the suspected bomb, but no success as of now. And we are waiting for an official confirmation and also an official statement from Guwahati police as well as Assam police as to what they have to say on this significant development which has taken place just half an hour back.
And
Yeah.
as per inputs, Arindam, Meghalaya police had reportedly alerted the Assam police about the bomb threat in Guwahati railway station. So what are your sources telling you regarding this?
Well, right now, the source of that information remains sketchy. Some are stating that Meghalaya police or Shillong police had alerted the government railway police, the DRP at the Guwahati railway station that a bomb might be planted or a series of bombs might have been planted at the Guwahati railway station. And of course, the other is stated that Assam police had received 2 mails from unknown person stating that bombs have been planted at Guwahati railway station as well as Guwahati University premises. So as of now, it's not clear. It's very sketchy at this moment. We are waiting for an official confirmation from Assam police and Guwahati city police as to what they have to say in this matter. But as of now, everything is taken very seriously, and as I have stated, that bomb disposal squad as well as sniffer dogs have reached both the locations and they are searching all the possible places where that suspected bomb could have been planted. And it's not clear as of now whether it's a hoax call or actually a bomb or a series of bombs have been planted in 2 locations in Guwahati. So one is, as I have stated, it's a Guwahati railway station. The other is at several different locations in Guwahati University premises, including the Vice Chancellor's office, several hostels, the BKB auditorium, and such locations. So police have reached both the locations. Bomb disposal squads as well as the sniffer dogs have reached both the locations. But as of now, there is no success. But as I have
Right.
stated, this message has been treated very seriously, and that's why everybody has been alerted on this.
Right. Arindam Das, thank you so much for all those details.